And you touched on alignment, and we've talked quite a bit of data. When you think about the continuum of value, so it's not something that just happens one time at one encounter at one patient visit. It's a continuous process, a longitudinal process to define and deliver value on behalf of individual members and larger populations. As you sort of think about, how actions today can drive into opportunities for success in the future, any thoughts there about how, provider organizations can build on their success with today's activities to drive success both today and tomorrow?
Yeah, it's a great question, and that is something that we are trying to drive our providers towards, is looking at data more prospectively than retrospectively. What can we do prospectively in terms of closing care gaps and risk gaps is important. I think we need to start paying attention to more prospective approaches now, and it's important to, like I said, absorb the data from the payer, get as much data as possible, and then curate that information and take care of the patients. The other critical aspect is investment into technology. I think there is no way there's nothing we can do to ignore technology. It has taken over, AI is coming on board, a lot of use cases around that. How can we start implementing the new age technology into our workflow has become imperative and ubiquitous. I think it'll be ubiquitous going forward. The other aspects that I think is really critical is bidirectional data flow in whatever shape, form that we are looking at least to begin with, right? If it's manual, that's okay. But over time, I think HL7 FHIR constructs will take over. A lot of payers are paying a lot of importance into that bidirectional flow, Blue Cross being one. We think clinical data from a suspecting proactive gap closure perspective is really, really important. So that is another measure that we need to start acting on today for us to be effective and fruitful in the future.